Muslim Arjar Arsan. Ke All India Children's Educational E-Content Competition kala penlong ya ke Central Institute of Educational Technology kala poisa ka bakut mentagasi haga kan rutrigulber han neri campus hanong seder umyam ka e-competition ka ke national level e-content competition kala dan jan news pak kana news pak san tam kinong ya simbanta ka bakut ars pak ngut haka audio palat sispa haka immersive e-content bat saus pak san haka video bat ki animation layop tiang ya kejing simbanta na ki apnyu teli jela na ka badai banlong life hundred teli jela bat union territories bat kentom ya ke jela Assam Arunachal Pradesh Manipur bat Meghalaya kumba praproi teli kusnam lasam rengkat ke pisah ke bakot kumba ka san lak tengka menteri kenat puli putih ke jela rakam e sangma ulalong ukong san ulaang ba ke e-content kan kente ya kerukam puli jong ki kena bat kumju ru ikerukam aji hika jong kino hikai.
Our skills, our ideas, intervention technologically, e-contents will definitely enhance the learning skill of our children and also the teaching skills of our teachers.